Welcome back. I got my pork tenderloin out of the oven, and it's wrapped in bacon. And then I have chili peach sauce on some of them. I made 4, and the teriyaki sauce with honey on some of them. So now I'm gonna try this. Smells good, and you have to have the internal temperature on the inside is at least 145. So it's well more than that. I might have overcooked it a little bit because these are kind of small. So I did cook it 25 minutes, but I think probably 20 minutes would have been enough at 425. But here's, I guess I should show y'all inside. It's very tender. I just cut a little piece because I just don't want nothing right now. I'm gonna taste a little piece with the piece of bacon. Thank you, Jesus. The sauce is very good. Very good. I did 2 that wasn't wrapped. I put that chili peach on this. I'm gonna slide this over and taste a bit. This has got the teriyaki sauce with honey. This one that doesn't have the bacon wrapped around it, it's got the honey. I mean the chili peach. And I think it might be a little spicy because I've used that before. But it's very tender inside. That's very good, very good. I think I might like that chili peach. Is that what it's, chili peach? Yeah, chili peach. I might like that a little better than I do the teriyaki. But this does have a little kick to it. That chili peach, it's got a little kick to it, but it's good. It's very good, and it's very tender. So, I hope that if y'all want to try something different, it's very easy. And these small ones like this, I really kind of overcooked them, but they're not tough. They're still juicy. I forgot to check the internal temperature, and I should have done it about 20 minutes into cooking it. It's still juicy, but I could have easily overcooked it because these are smaller. And so check your internal temperature as you go after about 20 minutes to make sure that it's not drying out. But that bacon, that juice, and that bacon going down into your pork loin, it is delicious. Just really good. So I hope y'all try this. Hope y'all have a great week. And Lord willing, I'll try to get on another day. There's a dessert I'm wanting to make, but I'm just not sure what day that's going to be because I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow and Thursday. So I'm not sure what day it'll be. But anyway, thank y'all so much for your prayers, for your thoughts, your love, and for your support. And if you have any questions, put them on in comment. If you want something from Pampered Chef, you will need to text me at 903-649-0605 because if you put it in comments, I might not see it. So, love y'all. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to count your blessings. Bye-bye.